I finally got them. The AirPods Pro. Yeah, that's right. I bought AirPods Pro. Now, this today is going to be basically a little unboxing video and a test of these ones because I've never actually used them before. I mean, I've seen them and felt the case and that's about it. So, yeah, we're going to unbox these bad boys today and use them. And I'm going to give you a bit of an explanation for my choice. So, I am now on Android. I had to sneeze. Whew. Anywho, I am now on Android. So, I have the S20 Ultra as my daily phone. So, many of you may wonder, why would you get AirPods when you have a Samsung? Why won't you just get, like, I don't know, the Sonys or the Sennheisers, or anything like that? And the answer to that is pretty simple. They're really not as good. Now, I don't want to trigger people and annoy them, but like the Sonys for me were the closest from what I've read and what I've played with. They were the closest for me of ones that I'd like, but the problem with them is their case is like this big. It is a huge chungus, and yes, it does fit in your pocket, and it does fit in like the little small part that no one uses. It does fit in there. However, it's annoyingly huge, and these AirPods are tiny, absolutely tiny. Comparatively, at least. They're still quite big. And then also, I could have gone with the Galaxy Buds or the Galaxy Buds Plus, which were a good option as well, but I kind of wanted the noise cancelling. And again, although it's weird, I really like the size of this case. I know that the Galaxy Buds are smaller physically, but I don't know. I like the feel of the AirPods case. It's a weird thing. But anywho, I got them, so let us rip into these because they're so pretty. Yeah, see the back too. Ooh, yeah. Show the AirPods. Yeah, we're gonna rip into these, and I'm gonna sync them up to my phone. Nice peel. That was not a great peel, but hey, it peeled. Oh. I failed. I failed at opening these. Oh my god. See, it's meant to. Anywho. I did fail at ripping them, but that's fine. They're open now. Ooh, comes open. Let us open. It's actually a really nice sound. You get the usual Apple designed in California. What's that there? Yeah, Apple designed in California. And then take that out, which has. Let's go through the informational packet first, just because I know everyone loves that. AirPods Pro. That is literally all it says. Oh, teaches you how to connect the device and stuff. Not bad, not bad. Let's see what else is in here. Put that to the side. See what else is in here. We've got, I thought these were stickers for a second. They're actually just serial number and stuff like that, which is kind of cool. And all these are little booklets. Safety and handling, limited warranty summary, regulatory compliance. I said that word properly. Put them back in there. Got them safely packed away. And now here is the good bit. I'm gonna try and hold this so it doesn't fall out. The AirPods. Ooh. So cheeky. So they did fall out. And I totally caught them. They didn't drop at all. Jesus. Man, I'm not great at unboxing things. Okay, so we're doing the peel. How does this peel work? Okay, it's a multi-stage peel. I've got to peel the back. Yeah, okay. I know how to AirPods. Okay, that was a weird design, but throwing that over there. Here are the AirPods Pro. They're such tiny. They're like itty bitty. They're tiny. Yeah, let's compare. Pass me that one there. These are your standard AirPods. These are your AirPods Pro. So. They're not a massive difference. Like, if I hold it like that, they're almost the same size. Like, they're very close. It is a little bit bigger, but not by a great deal. It's not a massive amount bigger. Have those back. Oh, good catch off to the camera. Camera left there? Yeah, left. Let's go with left. But yeah, so these are the AirPods Pro. Ooh, I opened them. Yeah. Okay, so I'm actually going to try and sync these to my Samsung. This should go swimmingly. I could read on how to do it properly. However, I'm gonna do what everyone does and just jump in head first and not really care. And I'll see if I can figure it out. Okay, so I've opened them. I'm gonna hold the little back button at the back there. Oh, there they go, Airpods Pro. Hit OK, pair with Airpods Pro. They're connecting, getting a little light connected. Awesome. So as you can see on my phone, we are connected. Hopefully you can see that. We are connected. So, I guess now, it is time to take these out. Man, these do look weird, I'm not gonna lie. They look like some weird ass chunky boys. Like, have a look at that. Like that is, get my face out of it. There you go. That is a weird ass design. Super weird, but we'll see how it sounds. Ooh, well, they're right in there. This is crazy. Another thing that's interesting about these is they have way shorter stalks, like compared to normal AirPods. I don't know why that one sounds. Oh my god, they just like kicked in with noise cancelling just then. Like, oh, I can't hear anything. That's crazy. Okay, noise cancelling is pretty mint in these. If I'm talking louder, I'm already sorry. I feel like it's like, I don't know what setting it is. That'd be one thing that's interesting, is whether or not I can change the, Oh, I'm playing my music. Okay, that is pretty mint, I'm not gonna lie. I held down and I started playing the music. It sounds real good. It sounds like real good. Even on an Android. Not that that really changes how they sound, but you know, I'm happy with that. NCS. I'll have a link down to their channel down below, and I'll have a link to the songs that I listen to. But let's just go through NCS real quick. God, now I need to find a song that I know from NCS. Def Kev Invincible. That sounds good. That was actually a song that we used to have on our intros. Get out of the ad. Okay. So, playing a bit of NCS. Listen on the AirPods Pro. Gonna crank it a little. That is awesome. Okay, I just took that one out and then it's going back to normal noise. That's so cool. I'm gonna put it back in. I'm just gonna try with one, see how it. Oop, which way does that go? Jesus. Okay. Yeah, the way they sit in there is weird. It's just weird, but that's okay. I'm gonna try it with one. Now, what does this stalk do? Okay, he keeps playing. That's kind of cool. I can listen to this song on Spotify apparently. But yeah, these are actually really nice. They're not that big. Oh, I turned off my phone. Oh no, it's on YouTube, that's why. Shouldn't have done that, it stops listening. Yeah, these are really cool. The case, not too big at all. I think it's awesome. I am a bit sad that it's only lightning for charging. I would much love the USB-C, especially now that I've made the switch to Samsung. Would have been real nice having USB-C, and I think that's the biggest letdown with these. But they'll probably improve that in the future, I assume, with AirPods 2 or whatever. Ooh. With AirPods 2 or whatever else they bring out. Cool. Pause my music there. That is really cool. I've got to try and figure out how I can. I need to try and figure out how I can change the. I'm gonna actually consult the manual. Change the noise cancellation. Because that is one thing I don't know how to change and play around with. I don't even know if I have to download an app, because with Samsung it's a bit different. Press play forwards, or press skip forward, or press to skip backwards. Looks like the left earbud. Okay, so the left earbud, wherever I put them, should control our noise cancellation. So we'll put them both in. At the moment it feels like it's in a transparency mode. So yeah, as soon as I put 2 in, it jumps straight to the noise cancelling, which is cool. Ah, alright, now this is the active noise hearing. Wow, that's actually kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. And it works really well, and that's even on, again, on my Samsung device. This is actually working really, really well. I'm actually really impressed with that. Like, that's awesome. I can still press that. Should play the music. won't, because again, it's YouTube. Didn't work. Oh, took a bit of time, but it's working. Wow. Oh, I gotta keep turning off my phone. That's really annoying. Okay, I'm gonna actually just use Spotify now, so I can actually keep my phone off. That's really nice. And then, yeah, boom, straight into that. I accidentally pressed it again, so I turned off my music, but that's straight into that noise cancelling mode. That's really nice. All right, that's kind of cool. It's not too hard to get the thing working. Pressing the stalks is a bit weird, like trying to find them sometimes. I feel like that's a bit odd. Also, it does take a little bit of time to pause and play sometimes. Like, I'll like hold it on my, oh, I didn't do it. I'll press it again, then it starts playing and it instantly pauses. I've noticed that very quickly, but that's something that obviously you'll learn to use over time. But I've got to say, big thumbs up to Apple for these. These are real cool. Let's have a look as well. I'm going to open it up. Oh, it gives you a little cord. Man, that's really depressing. It's a USB-C on one end. Like, they got that USB-C in there. Just highlighting my face. Hello. Now I want to show the USB-C. It's got USB-C right there, but then they had to put lightning on the other end over here. Where's the other end? There. They had to put lightning there. Imagine if they just kept it all USB-C. That would have been amazing. These are the little tips that come with it as well. It's actually a little nice little neat package for your little tips. Aw, it's adorable. I honestly think though these medium ones, they fit perfectly for me. I'm not even gonna bother changing those. I think these fit really nice. Well, I think that's gonna wrap up the unboxing and first impressions for these bad boys right here, these AirPods Pro. Put the little box back on. So I think the box is really cool. One thing Apple really do well is that whole the whole box in the opening. Like, man, prettiness. Yeah, but that's gonna end my unboxing and first impressions. If you guys like to see like a proper full review of me using these, because these are gonna be in my daily carry for the foreseeable future. They'll be in my pocket every day when I go to work and whatnot, because they're so tiny and just easy to keep away. Plus, I tend to use headphones a lot, and it's hard lugging around things like these, my Sennheisers, which I do love. I love these Sennheisers. If you don't know what they are, they're Sennheiser PXC 550s. They are brilliant. However, lugging around all the time can get annoying. So these are a lot smaller and a lot easier. So yeah, if you guys like that video, please remember to hit like and subscribe. Definitely get subscribed. We're doing a lot of streaming now, so if you're new to the channel and you want to watch some videos or watch us stream, we stream every Tuesday and Wednesdays. Tuesdays at 7 p.m. Wednesdays are going to be from about 4 p.m. Playing various different games. So yeah, if you guys are interested, please come along and say hello, you know, say hi in the chat. But get subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.